yeah, pretty neat. Let's see what it's like. Little drill here is 1mm, this one, and so is that one. And even though this drill, if I get a close up of that, even though the drill I have is pretty, well, it's brand new, the chuck will not hold these 1mm, 1mm. So I bought this little adapter, pin vise, whatever they're called, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a really nice little piece of kit and really cheap. So that goes into the chuck does up, and then the 1mm drill bit fits. I can get 1.5 in here, but I can't get 1mm or less, but this will take 1/2 mil up to 6mm, so that will stay in that drill all the time. It's really good. Cheers all.